students, in this video we will discuss this question. Example 15th of sequence and series chapter, class 11th. So find the sum of this sequence. We have to find the sum of this sequence. So suppose sum I am taking S is equal to, we have to find 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 7777 plus and so on to n terms. Okay, so n terms is there in this series and we have to find the sum of this series. Okay, so when you will see, there is not a particular pattern. This is not in AP, this is not in GP. Currently this is not in AP, this is not in GP. Okay, so how we can do this? So but if you will see these questions, then this is 777 777 777, correct? So it is clear that 7 is common. So first what I will do, I will take that 7 common. Okay, I will take that 7 common. So 7 common if I will take, then what I will get? I will get 1. 7 1s are 7, so 1 plus 7 into 11 is 77, so 11. Then 1 1 1 I will get. Similarly, I will get 1 1 1 1 and so on till n terms. Okay, so I will get something like this. Okay, now this is also nothing, neither in AP nor in GP. So how we can do? Okay, so what we should do? So now what I am doing, I am dividing 9 and I am multiplying 9. I am dividing with 9 and I am multiplying 9 with this. So this will become 1 into 9, that will be 9, plus 11 into 9, 99, plus 9 into 111 will be 999, and so on it will go. Okay, to n terms. Okay, so what I did, I divided with 9 and I multiplied with 9. Correct? Correct. Here I divided with 9 and I multiplied with 9, multiplied with 9. So multiplied with 9 means to every term the 9 will get multiplied. 9 into 1 will be 9, 9 into 11 will be 9, 9 into 111 will be 999. Correct? So it will happen like this. Okay, so now this is also nothing, like not in AP, not in GP. So we cannot apply directly formula, because AP and GP formula we know, sum of n terms of AP, sum of n terms of GP, but this is neither in AP nor in GP. So now also we cannot apply the formula. Correct? Because when you will check, this is not in AP, not in GP. So one more term, one more step I am doing. What I am doing? 9 I can write, this 7 upon 9 is outside, no need to worry about that. Okay, now 9 I can write as 10 minus 1, and 99 I can write as 100 minus 1, and 999 I can write as 1000 minus 1. How? I will write like this. So 7 upon 9 is common. Now what I will do, 9 I will write as 10 minus 1. 9 I will replace with 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Okay, plus, and similarly 99 I will write as 100 minus 1. 99 I will write as 100 minus 1. Similarly 999 I will write as 1000 minus 1, because this is 1 less than 1000, so I can write as 1000 minus 1, 1000 minus 1. Similarly it will go on till n terms. N terms. Okay, so now by doing this, what will happen? Now all this is, you are saying 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, and this is separated with plus plus. So what I will do, I will take this 10, 100, 1000 and so on, I will take it in one bracket. Okay, like this. 7 upon 9, this will be 10 plus 100 plus 1000 and plus 2 n terms. Okay, this I am taking one bracket. Okay, and remaining minus 1 here, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and so on n times. Correct? So what I am doing, minus I am taking common, so this will be 1 plus 1, because minus I took common, minus 1, so minus I took common, this will be 1 this will be minus I took common, then this will be 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, and how many times? N times, because 1, 2, 3 and n terms, so this will be n times. N terms. Okay? Okay. Now, if you will observe carefully, this is in GP, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000, 1000 into 10, and so on till n terms. So this first is GP. So I can apply the GP formula here. Okay, so we'll apply 7 upon 9 divided by, and in this GP, first term this is in GP. Obviously this is in GP. You can check also. And here in GP, first term is 10. You are able to see, and common ratio is 10 also, and number of terms is n, obviously. Okay. So in this GP, first term is A and common ratio is R, and number of terms is n. So according to formula, I can write as A means 10 into R to the power n. So obviously R is greater than 1. So I will apply R to the power n, means 10 to the power n, R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So R is 10. So this will be the formula. This is multiplication. Correct? Okay. So this GP formula, this sum of n terms of first GP I wrote in using formula. Correct? Here minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 to n terms. So 1, if you will add n times, then you will get n. Like add 1 5 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So when you will add 1 5 times, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, correct, 1 5 times. So you will get 5. 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. Similarly, if you will add this type of things n times, so you will get n. You will get n. Okay. So means this addition value will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 till n times, you will get n. So I will write that as n. Okay. So minus, and that will be n. Okay. So this will be our answer. If you want, you can do little bit simplification. So simplification will be 7 upon 9 is constant, obviously, and this will be 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1, and below will be 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 I can write as 9 and minus n. Correct? Minus n. Okay. So if you want little bit calculation, then you can write, or this will be your answer. This answer if you will write also, then there is no issue. If you want to calculate one more step, then you can do. I will multiply this 7 upon 9 to each. So this will be 7 into 10 70, 9 into 9 81, 10 to the power n minus 1, and minus 7 upon 9 into n. This will be your answer. Okay. So if you are writing till here also in exam, there is no concern. Okay. So I hope you understood. Okay.